There are places in the world that you visit, and places that become part of who you are. For me, that place is Sardinia. I was born in Italy, but life eventually brought me to the United States, where I have spent most of my adult life. But every summer of my childhood, there was one place that always called me back.
We got one! Yay!
For everyone!
Are you gonna eat it?
My mother was born and raised here, and through her, this island became part of my story. Growing up, Sardinia was never just a vacation destination. It was family. It was long summer days by the sea. Meals that lasted for hours. And small towns where everyone knew each other. For many people around the world, when they think about Italy, they imagine Rome, Florence, Venice. The famous cities that millions of travelers visit every year. But Sardinia is different. An island with its own rhythm, its own culture, and the history that stretches back thousands of years. Since when I moved to the States, I didn't have a chance to go back to Italy. Until now. I documented everything, and I will share everything that I lived with my family after 8 years without going back to Italy. Here you can find ancient stones, towers called nuraghe, built long before the Roman Empire. Villages that have existed for centuries and traditions that still shape everyday life. But Sardinia is not just history, it is also nature in its purest form. Cliffs rising from the Mediterranean, crystal clear water that changes color with the light of the sun, hidden coves, wild coastlines, and landscapes that feel untouched. Many visitors come here for the beaches, and the beaches are extraordinary. But the true soul of Sardinia lives beyond the coastline. It lives in the towns, in the kitchens, in the stories of the people who call this island home. We will explore places that many visitors never discover. Small towns tucked into the hills, coastal villages where life still moves slowly. Local markets, traditional food, and the everyday life of the people who live here. This journey will be about more than beautiful landscapes. It will be about understanding the culture, the traditions, and the way life is lived on the island. For me, this journey is also personal, because every time I return to Sardinia, I reconnect with a part of myself, a place that shaped my childhood, a place that still feels like home. Through this series, I hope you will not just see Sardinia, but truly experience it, the beauty, the traditions, the food, the people, and the spirit of an island that is unlike anywhere else in Italy, under my view. This is Sardinia through my eyes. This is only the beginning of this journey.